have a good look out through my dirty windshield here. It is a beautiful, beautiful morning on January the 9th. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Little unplanned video today. I'm heading up to Randy's to pick up his trailer to go get a surprise. As many of you saw on the community channel, I did something without my wife's permission. Now, once I told her, she is fine with it. She was good. She is happy with the deal I found. But me and her have an agreement. Anything over $100, we talk with each other about. And she happened to be asleep, sleeping off a migraine. And it was one of those things, if I waited, I'd lose it. So, come along with me. We'll go see what it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Not as clean as the pictures look, but it has got a lot of good parts. Hood is in relatively good condition. It's got a couple of little bingos up here on front, which will be easy to take care of. It's got the Z28 front, the sides, back end. It's got the spoiler, and it has T-tops. Now my question is, do I want to take this and build a whole car out of it on its own, or do I want to use this car to turn Randy's 84 that he gave me into a Z28? That's the question. I'm going to take it and give it a bath when I get back to town. Interior is pretty rough, but you're going to find that on all of them. I think I picked one of the noisiest spots I could find right here to do this. But the little half-ton 5.3 Chevy is doing the job right now. But there it is. That's what I did. We'll get it cleaned up, get it back to the house, we'll look at it again. Alrighty, it is the next day, and we got her cleaned up a little bit. Got to stick that T-top back on, but neither one of the door handles work, so you have to leave the T-top loose to be able to get inside to undo it. But there's the interior on this thing. Not the prettiest in the world, but for the year model, not so trashed either. Really wish somebody wouldn't have tried their hand at painting the dash, but oh well. Now this is a true AC car, so I can get the AC components out of it, put in the car I'm getting from Randy, which was an aftermarket AC car. I mean, it's not the worst that I've seen, but it has got dings all over. plus a really bad paint job. I don't know if you can see it right there on the wheel well, but there is a run. There it is. But runs happen to the best of us. All right, well, let's jump back in the truck. Go get that other one. There you have the thumbnail. There they are. 84 Z28, clean Oklahoma title. And an 84 base Camaro, clean Oklahoma title. Now to decide what to do with them. I've got something special planned for this one for now. But it ain't the end all of what it's going to be. You're just going to have to stay tuned to see that one. But thank you, Randy. You gave this one to me. I found this one for 500 bucks. So I'm starting with 500 bucks in both of these. So let's see what I can do with them. And again, thank you, Randy, for loaning me the trailer. Mine, you can see that back tire, the one on the other side looks just like it. And it is not just flat. They have blown out through that summer last year. They just rotted out and are gone. So I've got to get some new tires for that thing. I think I'm just going to replace them all. Plus, I got a bigger winch to put on it. So I got to get that done. But guys, here you go. Randy's car. The interior truly is not bad. I mean, driver's seat, that bolster is it. Back seats, that's where the sun has got them. I want to try some of that stick-on vinyl repair. So we're going to find out together whether or not that stuff really works. But everything else in here, I mean, of course the dash pad's gone, but I mean, look at the door panels. Door panels, handles, everything in this car is just beautiful. It's beautiful. The pieces missing on the dash are in the back seat. I mean, put a radio in it, some speakers, a different motor. We'd have a daily driver. Throw a quick, cheap paint job on it, and I'll do it myself. I'm not going to take it to Mako. But I mean, I want you to look at the side of this car. There is not a dent down it. As far as I can tell underneath, there's no rust either. I mean, there's not even no hell dents in it. Back quarter panel is pristine. We got a little bingo right here. Got a couple in the door. Where did I see those? Right there. And that fender down at the bottom. It's just kind of curled in. Up in the front one there. Looks like it might have blown a tire or something. But that's easily fixable. But eventually, I want to turn it into a Z28. So, we're going to call it good on this video, guys. Thank y'all for going along with me to get this thing. And drop it in the comments if you think I should try to build them both, or should I turn two into one. But now these are down the line. The Caballero, Jen's pickup. Oh my gosh, Jen's pickup has got to get done. Corvette's going to be out of here within the next couple of weeks. We got to get started on Brian's T-Bucket. All of those are going to come before this one is. So, just let me know what you think I ought to do. Come across them worth the price. Bleh. I'll be able to talk in a little bit. But guys, thank y'all so much. We'll see you next time. Hopefully, it'll be a Corvette. See you soon. If you hadn't hit that like and subscribe button, please. And pass it around. Let everybody know about it. Take care. See you next time. Santa's Workshop.